when they describe Krishna, he's a Nayak. He has 4 types of Bhav. Dear Lalita Bhav, Dear Lalita, Nayak. You must have heard this term. Nayak means the hero, the star, the hero, the male hero and the female hero. Hero and heroine. So he has 4 types of Nayak Bhav. Dear Lalita, Nayak. Dear Shant, Nayak. Derodat, Nayak. And Derodata, Nayak. He has 4. And as always, the gopis have more of everything. So the gopis have 8. They have 2 times more bhav. Because everyone knows that ladies have more bhav than men. They have more feelings, and more spectrum, a whole kaleidoscope and color spectrum of feelings, from super ecstatic, blissful happiness to total manic, depressive, ugly unhappiness. So they have everything in between. They're not too much like yogis. Men are usually yogis because one of the characteristics of a yogi is moderation, balance, and yukta. Yukta chetasaha. It says in the 6th chapter of the Gita. Yukta chetasaha. Indriya yukta. Man yukta. Everything is controlled and balanced and moderate in the yogi. So generally, although there are exceptions everywhere, Katyayani herself, Durga's expansion, or let's say Yogamaya's expansion as Durga and Yogamaya, Mahamaya, Yogamaya, they're 2 halves of the same Shakti. It's ultimately Krishna Shakti, or Shiva Shakti, Shiv Shakti, or Krishna Shakti. So she's a yogini, Katyayani Mahayogi, Mahayogin Yadishvari. Katyayani Mahamaye, Katyayani Mahamaye, Mahayogin Yadishvari. So Katyayani is a great yogini, the greatest Mahayogini. That's the exception. So women aren't so moderate or balanced or controlled in their emotions. And so the gopis have 8 type of Nayak Bhavas. Bhavas, and Krishna has only 4. So the proportion there is indicated that women are 2 times more emotional than men. Have 2 times more bhav. Because there's Abhisarika Nayak and Vasak Saja Nayak, Utkantita Nayak, Vipralabdha Nayak, Abhisarika Nayika, Vasak Saja Nayika, Utkantita Nayika, Vipralabdha Nayika, and Kalahantarita Nayika, and Proshita Bhartrika Nayika, and Swadina Bhartrika Nayika. And only this dear Lalit fellow has 4, Krishna.